Capitalism and individualism. No one individual can live a fulfilling life alone. A person becomes fully human based on the relationship they have with others. Yabo, if mina Ukita, I commit a crime today, maybe ngibulala umuntu or whatever I do, bazoyenzani? They'll take me and bazongifaka ejele. Angithi. Then if I commit the same crime ejele, bayenzani? Bangifaka into solitary confinement. Yabo, the worst thing you can do to a human is to isolate loyo muntu. Yabo, no human can live alone. Like no human can have a fulfilling life alone. We need abantu. We need our relationships. We are interdependent. We are interdependent. Even what Masiti, yo, this person is kind. Yabo, to be kind, it means you must be kind to another individual. Like you cannot be kind to yourself. Yabo, even Bati, this person is hateful, is evil. You have to be evil towards other individuals. Yabo, or a group, but you cannot be evil to yourself. Yabo, whatever relationship, like you jealousy, to be jealous, you have to be jealous of someone else. Yabo, like you cannot be jealous or kind or like or any other thing alone. Yabo, zonke izinto lezi are interdependent on other individuals. Yangithola? So obvious, izinto eziperpetuator inequality or izinto eziperpetuator inequality is individualism, yabo, through the use of the meritocracy, yabo. So meritocracy is ukuthi success is based on an individual's hard work. Yangithola ukuthi if an individual works hard enough, loyo muntu loyo uzoba successful. Yangithola? Bayingakhi abantu obaziyo abavuka ngo5 ekseni babuye ngo6 ntambama bayosebenza. Bayingakhi abo ladies amadoda kabomama abavuka ekseni babheke amakhekhe babheke amagwinya sithi mesivuka thina saqala ilanga sa comprehend ukuthi sizoyenzani for the day. Abantu sebasebenzile, they've already produced izinto with their labor. Yangithola? Bayingakhi abomama even during Christmas or even during holidays from January, from the first day of January to the last day of December, bahleli lapha estratini and bayathengisa and they are producing i-value, they are producing i-labor, or they are producing goods esisithengayo. Bayingakhi labo bantu obaziyo? And labo bantu ngokwazi bakho, as hardworking as they are they successful? Yabo? So meritocracy is this idea of meritocracy is capitalistic, is individualistic, and ayisebenzi. Yangithola? For every 100 abantu ongangitshela bona ukuthi these people are hardworking and they are successful, I can show you 1,000 of people who work harder than these people and they are not successful. Yabo? So this idea of ukuthi if I work hard enough I'll be successful is a lie, is a myth of capitalism, is a myth of individualism. Yangithola? Ngoba they want to distance us from ama collective issues baziyenze ama individual issues. Yangithola? Obvious, individualism blinds us from our structural inequalities. Yabo? South Africa is the most unequal country in the world. So if we work hard enough, do you think sonke South Africa will become like the equal country in the world? No. Capitalism, like you can never chase equality using a capitalism. You can never chase equality using capitalism. Only socialism and communism can bring equality. Equality. And you must understand South Africa is the highest unemployment rate in the world. Yabo? So uzothini lama individuals lanka abanama degrees, labantu laba abangasebenzi mara they are educated. Labantu laba abangasebenzi mara they are hardworking. Uthini ngalabo bantu labo? Uzothi it's an individual issue. Like the meritocracy allows abantu who have a privilege to justify the status quo. Yabo? Maybe uvuthi ithembe kwayo because uyayi-one unemali, or uyayi-one maybe successful, or uye ayi-one compared to abantu abayi-100 who work as hard as him mara banayo lento leyo. So because yena successful, so I work very hard, therefore you are lazy because you are not successful. Bayingakhi abantu, even mina where I'm from, every Sunday nabo bhuti from particular they are Zulu, most of them, yabo. Mara they are not solely Zulu. Mara kunama outs every day, every Sunday bashaya iflate bathengisa ini umchanyelo every Sunday, every Sunday bahlezi baphethe umchanyelo bawuthengisa umchanyelo and lo mchanyelo leyo bawuyenza ngezandla zabo, they produce lo mchanyelo leyo from their own labor. Ngithola from ngisasemncane abantu abathengisa imchanyelo but different, yabo. Mara from ngisasemncane abantu ababhizi baproduce leya value leya, why are they not ama-millionaire if hard work is all you need? So it's not about hard work, it's about our systems, systematic racism, systematic inequality. If we fall in this idea of individualism, kushuthi abantu abaphuwa they choose to be poor. Yabo, kusho ukuthi abantu ababhema ama-drugs, that's an individual issue. Kusho ukuthi i-GBV is an individual issue. But you know ukuthi poverty is not an individual issue, it's a collective issue. GBV is a collective issue. Drug abuse is a collective issue. It's not an individual issue. It is a systematic, and it can be solved through the collective bargaining. So it can be solved by the collective. It can be solved by abantu. For example, nabantu abayi-5 abahambayo, 5 individuals, yabo. Njengoba these 5 individuals bahamba estradeni, me, uGida, and my friend, sibamba uyi-1 inkunzi, yabo. Sibayi-5, sibamba uyi-1 inkunzi, because these are 5 individuals and thina siyi-2, siyakwazi ukumbamba lo ayi-1 inkunzi ngoba uyi-1, yabo. Then kusasa futhi siyi-2 mas and bama-individuals bonke, so ngiyakwazi naloku kumbamba inkunzi because uyi-1, yabo. Only when they unite, when they are collective, thina siyi-2, we cannot stand against this collective. Mara maybe bazuza kanje nga-1-1 siyakwazi ukuba overtake, we can always overpower labantu laba. Yangithola? Like amanye ama-issues, even though they may seem like ama-individual issues, lezi zinto lezi are structural and they are collective issues, and they can only be solved through a collective organization. So we must organize and we must come back to Ubuntu. We must come back to Ubuntu. We must come back to community. Yabo, you need your family bafethu. Even if masithi no aunt wakho oyi-1 ungamthandi, let it just isolate loyo auntie loyo ayi-1 and still stick to your family. Yabo, you need your friends. So you need ama relationships settingana singabantu. Yabo, no man is an island. And I'm not saying ukuthi you must not be an individual in a group. You must understand that no, I am an individual, but I am in a group. Futhi, yabo, I am an individual in a group, not an individual nje. Yangithola? Mara-ke, you can tell me what do you think? Do you think ukuthi vele you must come back Ubuntu and come back and must organize as abantu, as communities, or kumele siqhubeke sibe ama-individuals in a community?